What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in OBS Studio. After typing, you will see this first official link of OBS Studio, or you can just simply directly click on download. So it will show the window of download on your operating system. Here are the multiple operating systems like Windows, Apple, and Linux. So whichever OS you have, you can download according to that. And after downloading, you will see the application on your desktop, and after that open that application, and from here on the right side you can see the option of start virtual camera. So you can just simply start your virtual camera and then you can just minimize it, and then you can use Google Meet. So it will use the OBS virtual camera for Google Meet. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.